What's up today, guys? Today, we're going to be talking about sticky hands. More importantly, sticky steering wheels. Newer car, you get the problem of the old sticky steering wheel. The oil's coming out of the steering wheel. That's what I assume it is. Because I don't know what else it could be. So you got a couple options. One, some people like to put steering wheel covers on them. I am not a fan of them. I've had two different kinds. The kind you wrap and you tie in. Then there's the slip-on ones. Problem is, if you get in a situation, there is the chance that it could slip in an emergency. And that's not something you really want to have when you're in an emergency and you're trying to turn that wheel and it slips and the wheels are not turning. Not my favorite, probably not the safest, but they do have it. Another option would be to clean the steering wheel. Now, there's a couple different products. You can just use like some sort of all-purpose cleaner. I like using Meguiar's Quick Detailer. Any of those will work. Spray it, wipe it down. That'll take the oils, cut them down kind of, and you will be in a better boat than what you were. Another option you can do is drive it a little bit more. That's not always possible for everybody, so I'm not going to hold it against them for not daily driving your classics, because it's not always possible. I completely understand that, because I'm in that situation. But your hands will kind of keep it clean or dirty. It'll make it dirtier, which will make it less sticky. I have found that out while I've cleaned steering wheels. After daily driving them, you find out you get grease and dirt and whatever gunk you have on your hands at the time onto your steering wheel, and it makes it less sticky. Now, after doing a little bit of research online of some other ways to clean the steering wheel other than what I've been using, and just for my personal knowledge, a couple suggestions came up, and they actually may be stuff that you already actually have. Us being mechanics, you may have some goop. This stuff, you can slather it on your hands, slather on the wheel, wipe off. Should take care of the oil and the grease. Another thing that most people have, if not everybody, some dryer sheets. Supposedly that works pretty good. I can't attest to it. We'll try it now. And I may actually do a test later on to see which ones do the best. Doesn't seem to work very good. Maybe I need to put some more scrubbing into it. But those have been two options I've found online to help alleviate the sticky steering wheel situation. But those are a couple different ways to kind of help you guys out. Hopefully it helps. Those are what I use. Between the fleet of vehicles I have, some vehicles like this truck, I haven't driven any great distance more than, I think I've put less than a half a mile on it in the last 2 years. That's due to issues that you'll have to check out in my other videos. It got hit and totaled. But the Chevy too, I don't drive it as often as I should because it's been having carburetor problems. Which the video for me trying to fix that should have came out really recently. So I've been stuck on the old Volkswagen. So hopefully, long story short here, hopefully this kind of helps you out. You can kind of clean them. You can put wraps on. Wraps aren't the best, I don't think. I think they're a little bit more dangerous. But to each their own, whichever way to solve it. But I just like using a cleaner to clean it and then just wipe it off and then go about my business. It does leave it sticky there sometime, but hopefully, usually after that cleaner kind of dries out, and you get it in the sun, it'll kind of it'll be less tacky. And I mean, the steering wheel here is somewhat tacky. It's not leaving residue. It's kind of annoying, but again, if you were to use it, if I was to use it more, it would be less so. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.